What's up, everybody? Mustache Trading here again, and today I'm going to cover the DE and DDD swing alerts that we took profits on today. And then afterwards, I'll be covering a little bit of analysis on the BNGO Sun W stuff, just to kind of clarify some stuff for anybody who's not used to holding positions for super long. So, first off, I'm going to start with our smaller winner, DDD. It was about a 20 to 22% win, just on average on the contract movement. But we entered end of day on Friday, right before end of day. So last really 30 minutes ish is when the alert came out. And then so going into today, we took profits, kind of hitting that first level there at 29, just because I didn't like the momentum. And DDD is a strong stock right now. I do still see it in a value spot, so it's something that if we do short, and you'll see me do this on a bunch of stocks I'm bullish on, but we won't be holding profits too long. And I'm glad we did that in this case today on DDD, because as you can see, it only went down one more time. And then came back up. So momentum really didn't change a whole lot. So I looked, and the contracts really only moved like $5-10 more. So we did perfect by taking profits on the first 20 minutes of the day. So good job on that, guys. That was the small gain. And again, go back and review the bigger time frame analysis that we covered in the other video. But again, that was just a dark cloud cover, a pattern play. So we just played that to a pretty simple target. Nothing crazy there. And it's still really kind of trying to hold that trend. If it comes back up and holds this by end of day, I'll be surprised. But really, I'm going to be looking for a wide range trade on this before we play another pattern play or open range breakout for longs on this. So yeah, good job on that, everybody. Let's look at John Deere. Let's delete this. I'll show y'all why that was there. Actually, you can see why that's there in the review or the analysis video. But here on John Deere, we entered last Thursday, held through a weird red day, and then sold today during that bullish rally at the beginning of the market today. Let's look at the smaller time frames now. So we entered at the 361s break on this candle. As you can see, it pushed up, hit past 361s. We were in that play. It was up pretty nice Friday. So Thursday. So if you took profits on that day for a day trade, totally cool. You don't always need to hold these for swing trades. If it's up pretty good and you're not really comfortable with it, take it. Don't worry about it. But as you can see, a pretty weird day. I was very confident in holding those. You guys can see in the alerts. I had no intentions of selling this. Even if it went under 350, 6, I don't think I would have sold it. But Friday was just a weird get you all out of positions type day for the rally today. Then as you can see here on John Deere, I took profits. I was mentioning it and updating y'all on this rally, and then we went through one more continuation that I thought was going to take us further, but ended up holding a really good retracement. If you go from point of breakout to that high, that actually ended up holding the control point. If you guys have been watching all these videos, you know what a control point is. So at that 50% retracement, look where we ended up holding perfectly for support. We ended up having weak candles, weak volume towards that support. Still looking good for bulls. Then we had another bullish push out. And then we took profits in the bullish momentum towards 367.50s. Of course, our contract almost went in the money, and the contract almost hit like 800 something about right here. So that was pretty crazy, considering we paid 465 for this. So very, very good job. The spread was 465 to 475, I believe, when I alerted this. So great job on this, guys. That's about 56% in gains just from that trade over to here. And you also got to learn a very important lesson during this trade. You also got to learn what is a famous thing market makers and big money love to do is shake all of us out. And that's what Friday really was for the market, was a shakeout kind of day, because it was really just indecisive, I think a lot of us had, the same sentiment, though, saying today was going to be super bullish. I know I was saying that a ton. A lot of my friends were saying that a ton. A lot of people around were saying that a ton. So very nice to see the whole market move up. But our swing trades especially, you see we were able to still play a put position. We were still able to play a call position. But, yeah, very good plays on those. Let's check out the farther out plays, though. So we have plays on Sun W. As you can see here from the daily time frame on this trend change rise. With I think it's like the 8 or the 10 strike. But either way, though, this is still a good hold for the September expirations. So if you're still in it, amazing work. But something I wanted to clarify today was, what do you do when a stock just rallies? So today, for Sun W, this stock was up about 12, 13, 14% at its high of day. That's really, really big. If you are someone who took profits on this, it was about 20 to 25%. That's pretty quick for us not being in this trade that long. And considering it's for September's, that's really, really good. So if you're someone who took profits, totally okay. But I think a big thing I want to clarify, though, is worry about re-entry. You know, if you take profits early, and again, no one goes broke taking profits early, so no such thing as early. But look at back at your chart. You know, what's the plan? The plan's still for September still, so wait for a retracement and get back in. You know, there's no issue about, you know, double dipping when your plan is for September's. You know, it's a farther out play. You know, same for BNGO. The other day it was up like 18 to 20%. Today it opened, and even right now it's probably up about another 18%, just sitting there still. So, you know, it opened, or on like a crazy day, you know, don't freak out if you take profits early because it's running. Like, that's totally okay. But if your plan was to get back into that play, then make that so. You know, if you have to be patient for another day or two for retracement, then make it so. You know, be patient, get back in your play, watch for reentry. Don't worry about, you know, all the other outside noise. And if you get into another alert, don't come back and complain when it's already going back up. You know, you took profits. You know, that was your decision. So always kind of think about those things. But I just want to clarify that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.